waders leak, it's gonna happen. They're waterproof pants. If you fish 200 days a year and you run through raspberries and blackberries all day long, a pair of waders might last you a season. If you take care of them, you don't have any accidents, they might last 3, 4, 5 years. It really depends on how much you use the waders, but they're gonna leak. My go-to way of finding minor leaks is to run a strong flashlight up inside the waders. The leaks will show up pretty easily. Indicate any pinholes of light with a marker. So for hard to find leaks, like sometimes in the boot of a wader, it's leaking along the seam and you can't find it, there's another method. You need a shop vac where you can reverse the hose so it blows air. And what you want to do is turn on the shop vac. You want to constrict the leg of the wader around that shop vac, not too tight, but just so it blows up like a sausage, and then dip the wader in soapy water, and then once you constrict that, wherever the leak is will blow bubbles. Oh, that's good bubbles there. Fixing leaks is the easy part. AquaSeal is by far the best product for repairing waders. For pinhole leaks, just brush some on the spot and let it dry overnight. For bigger tears, you can apply a patch. Put a little piece of Scotch tape or duct tape or something, a little bit of backing, so that the AquaSeal doesn't bleed through. And then I'm going to turn them inside out, coat the tear with AquaSeal, giving yourself some overlap to put that patch over the top. Place your patch over your tear. And you could probably leave it like that, but I like to put an extra coat of AquaSeal over the tape just to make sure. And now that patch is going to be stronger than the wader material itself. So if you don't want to repair waders yourself, I find it kind of fun. I enjoy it. If you don't want to do it yourself, Orvis has a repair service that will put a professional repair on your waders using waterproof seam tape and all the real good technology. They use AquaSeal as well, but they do a really, really nice, clean job of repairing waders. Just fill out the form on the Orvis website. We'll send you an email with instructions on how and where to send your waders back to us. Don't suffer from cold, clammy legs. Fix your leaks or let us do it for you.